This is the Trading Playbook, where the charts do the talking, and every session makes you a better trader. Hello, everyone. Happy Sunday, and welcome to another episode of the Trading Playbook. My name is Lawton Ho here with Verified Investing. And if you haven't seen yesterday's episode yet, please stop, save this, and go back, watch yesterday's episode, and then come back so you know what I'm talking about. But before I go any further, guys, please consider liking this video, subscribing to the Verified Investing YouTube channel, and leaving me a comment down below. I read all of the comments. Thank you guys so much for your really kind comments. Let me know what you want me to cover next and what has worked, what hasn't worked. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing well and had a good weekend. But we know what we came for. I know what you guys came for. You came for trade setups for this upcoming week and the future. So let's hop right into it, shall we? Let's hop into this week's plays. I'll go ahead and share my screen for you guys. And as you can see right here, what were we talking about? Bull and bear flags. And just as a refresher, I'm going to demonstrate it really quick in case you don't remember. So bear flag, you're looking for something like this. Some sort of down move followed by, upwards to sideways consolidation. Then you look for the break lower on a break of basically the pivot, right? So that is bearish, and then bullish, kind of an up move here. Then downwards to sideways consolidation, and look for a break to the upside once this kind of downsloping parallel channel kind of breaks to the upside. Now, it doesn't have to necessarily be a parallel channel, but as I said previously, I love to use parallel channels just to kind of help you understand direction and then look for a breakout afterwards, right? So that is a bull and a bear flag. So let's hop right into plan A, which is TRMB, Trimble. Now, something very interesting, depending on what you're looking at in terms of time frames, you'll have something different. So you could argue that, hey, Lawton, look at this. It was an awesome kind of bear flag. You had a down move and then kind of sideways consolidation, right? And then we had that great move lower, right? However, and right here you say, well, what is this? I don't even know what to do with this. Could it be kind of a bull flag? It's like kind of downsloping. Is it a bear flag? What's going on? Well, when we're going into the daily chart, you see a couple things. And that's why I love this setup so much. You have kind of an up move and a downward sideways consolidation, kind of making that nice little pattern there. Additionally, right, we can just use this again. I'm just using this to indicate direction, general direction we're moving in. You see a downwards thing, downward kind of pattern favoring a move higher, but also this is going to be a multi-factor trade. We have that beautiful inverse kind of head and shoulders pattern. However you want to draw this, right? Inverse head and shoulders pattern, left head, right shoulder, right? So tons and tons of factors here looking like, hey, this could potentially bounce. Now, how do we play these flag patterns? Where do you get in for a long? Where do you get in for a short? Well, this is what I'm looking for, right? I'm looking for a break up above this pivot, $54.54, right? If we can get a close on the daily above that, for me, that's that flag pattern activated, and then maybe we can see move higher, right? Come up, see a move higher up towards that $60 level. So that's plan A, the first trade that I'm going to be targeting this week. Now let's head on to plan B, which is ACN Accenture, right? Now ACN, taking a look at this pattern, it's pretty obvious what it is, right? You can see a clear, beautiful down move and then sideways to upwards kind of consolidation, actually favoring a move lower. You can say, but Lawton, it's beaten up on the chart. It is beaten up on the chart, right? But this pattern is still 100% absolutely valid. If I go down here to that daily pattern, it really comes to life. You have a beautiful kind of upsloping parallel channel, kind of what we're looking for here on these kind of flag patterns. And look at this, guys. Should this, eventually break either the parallel here, or you're looking for potential break of this 118 level here, you could see significantly lower downside, right? But we need a couple things to happen. First, we need this parallel to break, and then right here, this 118.15 level, if that breaks, that's your signal. Hey, this is a good opportunity to potentially go short on Accenture, right? So we'll see what ends up happening, but this pattern is really, really nice on the chart. And then finally, ALAB, what a beautiful pattern. And this is one that's actually just starting to potentially break. Now, before I go any further, pause it here, try and find it for yourself. All right, you might take a look and say, is that a head and shoulders pattern? Well, what do we know about head and shoulders patterns? It has to be upsloping neckline. So no, it is not a head and shoulders pattern. However, let's go here, grab this. What do we have here? A down move to upwards to sideways consolidation. Beautiful. And look, it's beginning to break right here on ALAB. And on this, let's go ahead and use that parallel tool I love so much, just to kind of say, hey, look at this. That kind of uptrend has broken. So first thing to fall, that beautiful upsloping parallel channel. What's the second thing that needs to fall? We know the bottom of that flag, that 289 level, should it close down there on a daily basis, that is my go shortable level. And as far as a measured move, you could do a couple things, right? You could potentially use that flagpole we talked about, which would be about $200. Now, I don't think this is going to fall $200, but let's say 25 to 50% of that level, maybe you could see price action come down and beautifully line up, to maybe 244, about a 15% profit at this beautiful gap fill there from the 19th of May. That potentially could be your area for take profit. Okay. So again, ACN, if it breaks, that's your short. TRMB, if it breaks to the upside here on the daily, then that's your signal to go long. And ALAB, if it breaks to the downside and closes below, that's your signal to enter a short, or frankly, you could even enter a short now. Just play with a nice stop. All right. With that being said, guys, that's all I have for you today. Again, my name is Lawton Ho here with Verified Investing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I really appreciate you guys being here with me and watching these videos. It really, really helps us out a lot. With that being said, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your weekend. Go spend time with your family and loved ones. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. That's the Trading Playbook. If today's episode was your film study, the principle, the pattern, the framework, the application is waiting for you on Sunday. Real setups, real levels, ready before Monday opens. Subscribe to Verified Investing on YouTube. Saturday teaches, Sunday prepares, show up ready.